definitely it's a huge confidence booster for all of us. Kasi knowing na everyone would deliver and stepped up every single game, every situation na binibigay sa amin. I mean, I guess to be in this kind of family also, makikita mo na we're just pulling each other up no matter what. I mean, we don't actually, we're happy kung sino yung nasa loob ng court, sino nagpe-perform. We're also happy na nag-cheer lahat ng mga nasa siguro yung second six at that situation. Pero overall, I think it's a good sense of family and teamwork yung nangyayari, most especially this conference. Kasi yung paikot talaga ni Coach Sherwin, knowing na kung ano yung mas makakatulong at mas effective na strategy in that specific